your side.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Josh Benson.
And I'm Stacy Scheibel. Thank you for joining us. We begin with a story that is sparking some outrage on social media. Yesterday, we told you about several accused drug dealers in the Bay Area who applied for small business loans during the pandemic.
Yeah, shockingly, they actually received the money. Our Chip Osowski continues to dig into this incredible story. He joins us now from Pinellas County Jail. We've heard instances of this. They put in these phony applications and they pretty much get the money right in hand.
Yeah, it's absolutely crazy. And the three individuals we're speaking about, the three accused drug dealers, are still here in jail. I reached out to Congressman Gus Bilirakis in Washington, D.C. He calls this situation absolutely ridiculous.
Do you think that there's going to be any conversation in Washington about
Yeah, there will be because of Channel 8 reporting this and bringing it to my attention.
Congressman Gus Bilirakis stepped out of a congressional hearing to speak with 8 on Your Side. He just can't believe the SBA was doling out much-needed funds to accused drug dealers.
The small businesses are having a hard time, of course, as you know, and they need this money. And some of the money has been approved. The loans have been approved, but they haven't received the funds. And yet we're giving money. I mean, the SBA is giving money to these drug dealers.
According to court papers, Dante Payne claimed he owned a landscaping business. Do you know anything about his landscaping business?
I have no comment.
His mom didn't seem to know anything about that. Russell Jones claimed he owned a barber shop, and Kenneth Davis wrote that he owned a business, but that business wasn't named. Police tell us the three men walked away with more than $50,000 in loans from the SBA. And I did also reach out to the SBA for comment, and an agency spokeswoman told me that they do not comment on ongoing investigations or open cases. Stacy?
All right, hey, Chip, I'm wondering, yesterday you reported the drug trafficking investigation that nabbed these guys is actually still ongoing.
Yeah, it's ongoing, and we've been watching the arrests coming in day after day after day. A spokeswoman with the St. Pete PD told me that they expect at least 12 more arrests.
Wow, okay. Chip Osowski live at the Pinellas County Jail. Thank you.
Some new data showing the CDC has the drug overdose deaths in the U.S. hitting an all-time high. And for the first time on record, more than 100,000 Americans died from overdoses within a 12-month period. That number is 29% higher than the previous year. Vermont saw the biggest rise, a nearly 70% increase. Here in Florida, overdose deaths were up more than 26%. And it's also been a record year for manatee deaths. The FWC reports more than 1,000 have died since the start of the year. And it's not boat propellers killing them. Experts say algae blooms have greatly reduced